About to show you how to install Blackend on EVO 3D. I have H1.4, not 1.5, so I'm not going to show you that step. But basically, I'm going to run through this install setup and just show you guys it booting up and all that good stuff. So first, go into recovery. First thing, go to advanced menu. If you have Team Win Recovery, I have 1.1. Do not like 2.0. Didn't format properly. I had too many issues with the ROMs, so I went back to 1.1. So go to advanced menu. Go to format menu. Format the system. Alright, then format data. After that, format the cache. Alright, if you have the SD partitioned, you can go ahead and format that SD partition. If not, don't worry about it. You can skip that. Don't format your SD card because you lose all your information. Now, go to the main menu. Go to install zip. Go to wipe cache and delete cache. Alright. Now, you don't have to format the system and data. I never do, but that's only with my ROMs because I use the script that formats the system for you, but it's always safe to do it anyway. It's an extra step, but you know what the heck. Alright, so I'm going to choose a ROM I want to install. In this case, I'm doing Blackend R258, which is a nightly ROM. I just now built this, so it'll be the first to install. Go ahead and choose a ROM, select it, go to Flash Zips Now, and just let it go. The new nightly for today, which is March 3rd of 2012, has an updated Google Maps, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I changed the kernel out. I believe that was the cause of the reboots before, but I don't know for sure, so I'll find in a minute. And that's about it for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on 259, which is on my computer right now. And that one's going to have a new kernel, which is a little updated than this one. Some GUI stuff. I had to fix the phone display where the contact name is on the right, not center no more. So I'll be fixing 259 and some other stuff I can work on. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, 258 should be pretty stable. Alright, she's about to reboot. There it goes. Just flashing the boot image right now. And rebooting. The first boot always takes the longest. So after the first boot, it should be pretty quick. Alright, here we go. I'm in roaming right now. I have it forced to Verizon because in my area, Sprint really sucks. So, yeah. Dismiss that. Just go through the setup real quick. I'm not going to log in. I just want to get to the main screen. So I just finished that. Now, just to show you guys, Wi-Fi and 4G do work. I can't test 4G where I'm at, but if Wi-Fi don't work, 4G ain't gonna work. So let me show you the Wi-Fi working real quick. Go here, wireless networks, Wi-Fi settings, turn on Wi-Fi. And there you go. There's Wi-Fi right there. So and as you can see, it's obtaining the IP address right now and it's connected. So there you go. And that's it. Nice and snappy like always.